Imphal East District ki Hautel da laiba S.V.Getwell School ki sahi ki chayeng haidokpa 2025 asida makok mathang takraba satri khara aikoi punna yengminasi.
The first rank goes to section A. Roll number 3, Naured Lanchendi, scoring 1,208.75 with 86.34%. Lanchendi for the second rank goes to section A again, roll number 40, PH Jurika Devi, scoring 1,178.8 with 84.2%. Third rank goes to section A again, roll number 6, Amon Toy, scoring 1,176.5 with 84.4%. Amon Toy, then the fourth rank, Amon Toy, please come over the stage. The fourth rank goes to again section A, roll number 1, Lyson Berirani, scoring 1,173.15 with 83.8%. Fifth rank goes to section A again, roll number 7, Nansita Kakamba, scoring 1,157.1 with 82.65%. And the sixth rank goes to again section A, roll number 2, Surapaidan Vidyarani, scoring 1,127.4 with 80.31%. Seventh rank goes to again section A, roll number 5, Wangjan Russia, scoring 1,117.8 marks with 79.84%. Eighth rank goes to section A again, roll number 4, Sanjamba Dikpa, scoring with 1,108.4 with 79.19%. Ninth rank goes to roll number 20, section B, Y. Pomila Devi, scoring 1,104 marks with 78.86%. Then the 10th rank goes to roll number 21, section B, L. Oliver, scoring 1,094.65 with 78.19%.
Hey, bien kono.
I think class 7. There are only 4 students. So class 7 parents, you can have the result with progress report and holistic report from the concerned class teacher.
Rajen thokpagi thorama asida yengbirba khudingma ngangkham Prameshwarni kai khumneba uchar